guys, welcome back to Life with Sid. Hey citizens, hey guys, today we are finally doing my car tour, car reveal, and I'm super excited to share my brand new 2021 GLE AMG 53 with you guys. So come on, let's go check it out. Okay guys, I'm so excited to introduce y'all to Dababy, because that's what I named her. Dababy. Yes. Alright, so I custom ordered her. I think I placed the order in one of my vlogs. I will link my vlog here when we talked about it. I had ordered it, I think, in May. So she just came in. I posted on Instagram when I first got it, but I waited a little bit to do my reveal because I wanted to get my windows tinted. So let's just talk about the color. It's beautiful polar white. So the polar white is one of my favorite car combinations, and this is something new. I didn't have this option on my BMW where they do like the night package, and I love it. It's like when your rearview mirrors are black, your roof is blacked out, the trim on the car, if y'all can see it, the trim is black, and I like that because it goes with the blacked out windows. And my wheels are sitting on 21s. Yes, 21s. You want to get a close up on these 21s, babe? With the AMG, what is this? The brake caliber. Yes, your girl know a little something about cars. Yes, I do. 21s with the staggered fitment. That means, for y'all who don't know, ladies, to get your car sent up, the back is a little bit wider than the front, and I love the way that look. It just looks so chunky and just very aggressive. So I love that. And then my wheels is, this is like, I guess like a silver with the black in the inside. So I really liked that combination. I was thinking about getting all black wheels, but I like the way how they broke it up with the silver and the black. It goes with the night package. Alright, so it's the AMG. I don't know what that means, but whatever. I have to figure that out. I don't know. I have to read up some more because I don't know what AMG stands for. And it's a GLE 53 with the quad exhaust. Those are real exhaust pipes. Quad exhaust pipes. I love that about it. And I have like the backup sensors, and it has like the camera here. Oh, and this little feature is so cool. I'm going to show y'all inside, but I'm going to show y'all this little feature. This is where you open the trunk. You just push this little symbol in, and then it opens the trunk. I just love that. That is super cute. And then you just close it here, and it's so sleek. So sleek. I did the 5% tint on the back windows, and he tinted right over the factory tint, so it give it like a darker look. And I did 5% on the sides as well, and it looks pitch black because he went over top of the factory tint. Alright guys, so that's the outside of the car. Now let's just get inside and see what we got. Okay guys, so we're gonna get inside, but I'm gonna just show you a little view from right here. Okay guys, so here it is again, the AMG. It's the AMG illuminated door sills. It lights up really cute. You can really see it at night. I think I'm gonna try to get a shot too at night so y'all can see how it lights up really pretty. So come on, let's just get inside. Okay guys, so this is the inside. And remember I said I customized everything, so I picked everything that I wanted in here, with like the seats or the red leather with the black. This is like leather, and I think this is like Alcantara. I don't know what that is, but that's what it's called, Alcantara in the leather. And it has the AMG badge here, and then it has the black with the red stitching. I really love the all red seats, but they didn't come with that feature. And then I have the brushed aluminum like going all around for the other accents. And then this was my favorite part. This is what really sold me on the Mercedes AMG because I've been a Beamer girl like forever. But this screen really like pulled me into Mercedes. Like I said, I've been a Beamer girl forever. But when I seen this screen, I was like, oh my goodness. I love it. So I'm going to start it up so you guys can see how this screen really lights up. But I really love this part right here. It disappeared. But let's see. Let's start it up. And it flashes here. It's going to show you that the door is open. That's because Babe is recording, guys. But this is all touch screen. This is like the best touch screen. Let's turn this music off so we don't get copyright. So this is like the home screen and everything is on here. This is like my profile, has my name, my profile picture. This is the GPS. Don't want to do that. This is the GPS, radio, media. This is where you can just change different things. This is like different gauges that you want to show on the screen. It's just so many features on here as well. And guys, this car has self-driving mode. I'm going to put a little clip of Babe driving in self-driving mode. I tried it one time. I'm a little nervous about the self-driving mode, but it's super, super cool. So it's like the feature that the Tesla have where you can do self-driving mode. It's creepy to me, but I'll get used to it after a while. So it's a really cool car. And then it has like the illuminating lights. If you come on, babe, get inside. If you get inside and shut the door, it gets a little, the illuminating lights, you'll be able to see it change color. So you can change it so it can always stay blue. You can change it pink, you can change it blue, green, yellow. So right now I have mine set to change colors. It's like a rainbow, so it's like mood. And then guys, another feature that it has that sold me is you say, hey Mercedes,
how can I help?
I'm cold.
I'm increasing the temperature on the driver's side to 78 degrees.
Girl, that is beautiful. I love it. So when you change the temperature to, look, watch this. When I change the temperature, it's at 78. Every time I change it, look, it turns red. So 70, 79, 78, it turns red. When you turn it down, it turns blue to show you that you're cooling off. And you can say, hey, Mercedes, take me to the nearest ATM. She's calculating the ATMs. So this all the ATMs that's near me. So that's another feature that they offered that I loved when I was just doing research when I wanted a new car. And then you have the nice moon roof. Yeah. This moon roof is pretty big for a coupe. For a coupe, that's what they call it. It's a coupe. So it's a pretty big moon roof. The seats in the back are just like the front seats. If you can see, it's all red and black. You'll see safety first. I got my mask, and then I got a little Mercedes bag they gave me. But the seats is red and black, and I love that. Oh, another cool feature, guys, too. Another cool feature is my cup holders are cooling and warming. So I don't know if y'all can see this little button right here. If you hit this button, but right now that's cooling, and then the other side turns red when you want it to warm. That's pretty dope. And then this right here where my phone is, this is a charger. This is a charger pad here. I just got the new iPhone 13 Pro Max too. It's pretty big, but it still fits into my charger pad. I'm gonna go this way, and it goes here, and then it'll tell you your phone is charging. There it is. See, it's charging. And then this little tray here, just close it if you want it to be nice and clean and don't see anything, which is really nice. And then over here on the cockpit area, it's like all kind of buttons, and it has the AMG steering wheel. I have a heated steering wheel. all of IMs, the voice activation, phone calls. It's just so many buttons, and I still haven't learned everything on the car, but I just told y'all about my favorite features, what made me get this car. My favorite features is the Hey Mercedes, the big screen, cancel, the giant LED screen, touch screen, the heating, the cooling and heating cup holders, and the ambient lighting. And what else is my favorite? I don't know. Everything about it. I just love my car, guys. I just love it. And it's so comfortable.
Can you say that again, please?
Cancel. I just love everything about it, and I think it just fits your girl. Yes, it is. So that is it, guys, for my car tour. I'm probably going to get some little fancy air fresheners that I seen on Amazon, and I will show y'all when I get those. They had some bedazzled air fresheners. But guys, that is it for my car tour. I don't know if I missed anything, but if you want if you have any questions, just leave a comment below, and I will get back to you. Yes, I would. So if you like videos like this, y'all already know, hit that subscribe button, the bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Until the next time, Syd signing off. Peace.